In this video, we are going to fix the 2019-08 cumulative update error in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that? At the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Settings. At the Settings window, you need to navigate to the left pane, find for an option which is the System, click on it. And under the System section, you need to scroll down and find for Troubleshoot. Click for Troubleshoot, and afterwards you can see other troubleshooters. Click on it, and please click on Run corresponding to Windows Update. So run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. This will take 2 to 3 minutes. Once you have done this process successfully, you need to restart your computer and check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is you need to proceed to the command prompt. So here at the search box, please type for CMD. Once you have typed that, you need to wait until you can see a best match, which is the command prompt system. And from that, you need to navigate to the right side and run it as an administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. And from here, please copy the command that I have provided at the YouTube description. So first is to do the SFC scan. This will scan the health of your computer, and this will detect automatically those corrupted files and automatically fix them. So click on the enter key, right click so that you can paste it so that you can start the process as well. So once you have completed the SFC scan, proceed on the pasting for this chkdsk space/f space/r. Once you are done with all of this, you need to restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to check if the problem has been fixed, okay? Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.